Hey everyone! Did you know that you can stop people from saving your snaps on Snapchat? If you don't want certain friends keeping your snaps forever, here's how you can make your snap private in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat and then here tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. And this takes you to the main profile page where you can access all your settings. And now, tap the gear icon at the top right to open your settings and scroll down until you find the privacy controls, and under this section tap view my story, and here you can choose who sees your snaps. If you set it to custom, you can remove specific friends so they won't be able to view or save your snaps at all. And that's it. By making your snaps private, only the people you trust can see them. No more worrying about anyone saving your snaps without your permission. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.